Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Pass question in BECE Mathematics. Section A Objectives. Year 2010. Questions 1 to 20. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Kapiri Impusi. I am going to be your facilitator.
April 2010. Mathematics 1. Objective test. Duration 1 hour. Question 1. Which of the following sets is well defined? The answer is D, because the set D contains identical elements.
Question 2. If set B is a subset of set A, then let us draw set A and set B as a guide. Let this be set A, and let this be set B. A. Sets A and B have the same number of elements. This is false. Some members of set B can be found in set A. This is also false. No member of set B is in set A. This is also false. All the members of set B are in set A. That is true. Question 3. The least common multiple LCM of 16, 30, and 36 is. We shall find the product of the prime factors of 16, then 30, then 36. For 16, 2 goes here 8, 2 goes here 4, 2 goes here 2, 2 goes here 1. Therefore, 16 equals to 2 raised to the power 4. Now for 30, 2 goes here 15, 3 goes here 5, 5 goes here 1. So the product of the prime factors of 30 equals 2 times 3 times 5. Now for 36, 2 goes here 18, 2 goes here 9, 3 goes here 3, 3 goes here 1. So the product of the prime factors of 36 equals to 2 squared and then 3 squared. Now for the LCM, we shall consider the individual prime factors and take the highest power among the three numbers. For 2, the highest power is 2 to the power 4. For 3, the highest power is 3 squared. And for 5 is 5. This equals to 16 times 9 times 5. 16 times 5 equals to 80 times 9 equals 720. So the answer is D.
Question 4. The sum of 5 and s divided by 4 is equal to 3.25. Find the value of s. The sum of 5 and s is 5 plus s divided by 4 equals to 3.25, which is the same as 3 1/4, which is the same as 13 divided by 4. So 5 plus s divided by 4 equals to 13 divided by 4. We shall multiply this side of the equation by 4. 4 will cancel out, so we shall be left with 5 plus s to equal to 13. Therefore, s equals to 13 minus 5, which equals to 8. So the answer is A.
Question 5. The numbers
32, 33, 34, dot, 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 dot. 42 form a sequence in base 5. Find the missing numbers. Take note that the difference between the first term and second term of the sequence is 1. The difference between the second term and third term is also 1. So the next term after 34 is going to be 34 plus 1. Also take note that in base 5, the digits that can be used to form numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and higher numbers cannot be used to form numbers under base 5. So let us add up. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. As I said, 5 is not a base 5 numeral. So we shall put down 0 and carry 5 raised to the power 1, which equals to 5, to the next term over here. 5 raised to the power 1 is 1 under this item, so we shall get 4. The next item is going to be 40 plus 1, which equals to 41. So the answer is C.
Question 6. Write down all the integers in the set A equals to minus 10, minus 4, 0, 1 over 4, 2.5, 45, and 100. An integer is a whole number, positive or negative, including 0. So the answer is A. Question 7. Find the total cost of 25 pence and 75 books if each pen costs 0.20 Ghana cedis and each book costs 0.30 Ghana cedis. 25 pence at 0.20 Ghana cedis will be, and then 75 books at 0.30 Ghana cedis will be. Now 25 times 0.2 will give us 5, and then 75 times 0.3, 15, 22, 22.5. The total is 27.5. So the answer is C. Question 8. Simplify. Minus 27 plus 18 minus bracket open 10 minus 14 bracket close minus bracket open minus 2 bracket close. We shall first simplify the items in the brackets. So minus 27 plus 18 minus, we shall simplify the expression in the brackets. 10 minus 14 equals minus 4 minus 2. Now minus 27 plus 18 minus is plus 4, and minus is plus 2. So we shall get minus 27 plus 18 plus 4, 22 plus 2, 24. So minus 3. So the answer is A. Question 9. Arrange the following numbers from the lowest to the highest. That is 0.5, 3, minus 5, and then 0. The lowest is minus 5, followed by 0, followed by 0.5,
followed by 3. So the answer is C. Question 10. Find how many pieces of cloth 5.5 meters long that can be cut from a roll of cloth 121 meters long. Is going to be 121 divided by 5.5. This is the same as 121 divided by 11/2. We shall change the division to multiplication, and therefore we'll reverse 11/2 to 2/11. 11 goes here, 11. 11 times 2 is 22. So the answer is D. Question 11. Find the value of 124.3 plus 0.275 plus 74.06. Collecting your answer to one decimal place. That is 124.3. Then 0.275, then 74.06, 5, 13, 3 carry 1, 6, 8, 9, to one decimal place is going to be equal to 198.6. So the answer is A. Question 12. EC and Kwasi are 12 and 8 years old respectively. They share 60 mangoes in the ratio of their ages. How many mangoes does EC get? The ratio is 12:8. That is EC is to Kwasi. And the total ratio is going to be equal to 12 plus 8, which equals to 20. Now, EC's ratio is 12, so EC's share is going to be 12 divided by 20 times 60. 20 goes here 3, so 36. The answer is C. Question 13. It takes 6 students 1 hour to sweep their school compound. How long will it take 15 students to sweep the same compound? 6 students took 1 hour or 60 minutes. Therefore, 15 students will take less time to sweep. So 6/15 times 60 minutes. 15 goes here 4, which equals to 24 minutes. So the answer is A. Question 14. A housing agent makes a commission of 103,500 Ghana cedis when he sells a house for 690,000. Calculate the percentage of his commission. The percentage of his commission is going to be 103,500 divided by 690,000 times 100%. Zeros will cancel out. Zeros will cancel out. So we shall be left with 1035 divided by 69. We shall apply the long division method. So 69 into 1035. 1, 69, 4, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 4. So the answer is A. Question 15. A simple interest of 37,500 Ghana cedis is earned on an amount of 500,000 Ghana cedis for 3 years. Find the rate of interest per annum. We know that the interest equals to Principal times the time times the rate. The interest has been given as 37,500. The principal 500,000. The time 3 years, and the rate R. So 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals to 37,500 R. Therefore, R will be equal to 37,500 divided by 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to cancel out. 15 goes here, 1,000. 15 goes here, 25. So we are left with 25 divided by 1,000. Now, to convert to percentage, we shall multiply by 100%. So we shall get 2.5%. So the answer is D. Question 16. Simplify 8s squared y cubed all into brackets times 3 over 8 s y raised to the power 4 all into brackets. The above is equivalent to 8s squared y cubed times 3 over 8 s y raised to the power 4. 8 will cancel 8. Now for the s, it will be s raised to the power 3. For the y, it will be y raised to the power 7 and then 3. So the answer is A. Question 17. The scores of 10 students in an examination are given as follows: 45, 12, 75, 81, 54, 51, 24, 67, 19, and 39. What is the median score? To find the median score, we shall arrange the scores in ascending order. So 12, 19, 24, 39, 45, 51, 54, 67, 75, and then 81. Now, since the numbers are 10, the center is located over here. So, the median is going to be equal to 45 plus 51 divided by 2, which equals to 96 divided by 2, which equals to 48. So the answer is B. 18. A pie chart is to be drawn from data in the following table: cassava 20%, yam 17%, plantain 28%, maize 35%. What will be the value of the sector for maize? In the pie chart, the sum of the angles should add up to 360 degrees. Maize is taking 35% of 360. So 35 divided by 100 times 360 degrees. 5 goes here 7. 5 goes here 20. 20 goes here 1. 20 goes here 18. So 18 times 7. 56 carry 5. 126. So the answer is A. Question 19. 18 cards are numbered from 11 to 29. If one card is chosen at random, what is the probability that it contains the digit 2? the cards containing the digits 2 will be 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and then 29. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in all there are 18 cards. So the probability is going to be 11 divided by 18. So the answer is D. Question 20. Find the value of S if S divided by 4 plus 1 equals to 5. That is S divided by 4 plus 1 to be equal to 5. This is the same as S divided by 4 to be equal to 5 minus 1, or S divided by 4 to be equal to 4. Now we shall multiply each side of the equation by 4. 4, 4. 4 will cancel 4. So we shall be left with S to be equal to 4 times 4, which equals to 16. So the answer is D.